Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to understand combination of pulleys and I'm your friend Sanjay here. So what are combination of pulleys? Combination of pulley is a setup where you have one fixed pulley and multiple movable pulley. One, okay? And the basic purpose of combination of pulley is just to have more force multiplication. Okay? So let us have a example of combination of pulley. As we can see over here, this is my final effort which is applied to lift this load L. Now because this is a common string, so even the tension in both the string would be T1. Okay. Now the tension in this string is going to be equals to T2. Okay. And T2 will be double of T1. Both the string will have same tension T2, and now here the tension would be T3, which would be double of T2. Here also the tension would be T3, and finally the tension on this string carrying the load is T4, which is double of T3, and your load is equals to T4. Now considering the mechanical advantage is load upon effort. Putting the values of load and effort, my effort was T1 and my load was T4. Equating T4 as twice of T3, again equating T3 as twice of T2, so that becomes 4 times, again equating T2 as twice of T1, now that becomes 8 times T1 upon T1. Finally I have T1 cancel and my mechanical advantage is 8. Now let us try to find the velocity ratio in this case. Let us try to get the velocity ratio in this case. Now if I start from bottom to the top, the situation of velocity ratio, I mean the distance traveled by the effort and distance traveled by load, it would be the reverse of the tension. So in this case, if d1 is the distance traveled by effort, distance of the effort, okay, so this distance will gradually reduce, it will become half. So here for this case the distance d2 is half of d1. Here for this pulley the distance d3 is half of d2. For this pulley the distance d4 is half of d3. The only reason is it gets folded. since it gets folded, whatever distance this rope is going to travel, double the distance of that would be commuted by this rope. Okay, so my final distance of load is d4. Alright, now let us consider the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is distance of effort upon distance of load, which is d1 upon d4. Okay, so I write that as d1 upon, what was d4? d4 is half of d3, that is again d1 upon half into what was d3? Half of d2, and what was d2? Half of d1. So that is equals to d1 upon half into half d1. I will write it over here, that is equals to d1 upon half into instead of d2 half d1. Okay, so d1 gets cancelled and that leaves me to 8. So finally my velocity ratio is 8. Definitely efficiency becomes mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio, that is 8 upon 8 times 100, that is 100%. For ideal case, practically it would be little less than 100, and I explained you in the previous video why. Alright, so your mechanical advantage is equals to velocity ratio equals to 8. Now there is a shortcut to get this value. We don't actually have to calculate this long. What is that shortcut? It is simply 2 raised to number of movable pulley. In our case, the number of movable pulley was 1, 2, 3. It was 3. So the answer was which is 8. Suppose if you are having more than 3 pulley, if you are having 5 pulley, it would be 2 raised to 5, which is 32. So this is all about combination of pulley. I hope the video is clear to you. Thanks.